Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to use webhooks on Discord. So first go to your Discord and then go to your server and then go to server settings. Now tap channels and tap text channels, and then from here tap webhooks. Now from here you can create webhooks only on web or your desktop. You can't create your webhooks on phone. So that's the reason why my webhooks option is disabled. So if you want to create webhooks, you can simply create on your web or desktop. So this is how you can do it. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.